Coredy Robot Vacuum Cleaner, 1400 pascals super strong suction, ultra slim, automatic self-charging robotic vacuum for cleaning hardwood floors, medium pile carpets, filter for pet, easy scheduled cleaning. Impeccable daily clean, the R300 robot vacuum lets you easily start clean, schedule and customize cleaning preferences with remote control. Auto adjust cleaning direction, auto increase suction power, maximizes increase vacuum power with 1700 pascals of suction, and adapt its height to seamlessly clean from hard surface floor to short pile carpet for a spotless clean home. Vacuuming and mopping, R300 robot vacuum supports wet mopping function, combines 1700 pascals max strong suction, mopping hard surface floors from small dust to footprint or mud, and vacuuming everything from small particles to large debris and pet for much deeper. 2.7-inch super slim design glides under and around beds, sofas and other furniture for thoroughly clean. 400 ml water tank sold separately. Upgraded smart protection, fully upgraded anti-collision and anti-drop intelligent sensor technology plus pressure-sensitive soft bumper. Guide the robotic vacuum cleaner navigate around obstacles and avoid to fall down from stairs and edges. 110 mins constant runtime, powered by a 2600 mAh high-capacity Li-ion battery. The vacuum cleaner supports up to 110 minutes of quiet but powerful suction cleaning. Auto recharge allows the automatic vacuum robot always ready to clean. What you'll get: an R300 robot vacuum cleaner, plus a completely range of robot vacuum accessories, 4x side brushes, 1x extra high-efficiency filter, 1x remote control, 2 AAA batteries included, 1x cleaning brush, 1x charging dock, 1x adapter. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.